Hello everyone and welcome you all to Quick Solutions for All India Akash Test Series Medical 2019. Today I am going to take up the zoology part of the paper, which is test paper number 14, code A and B in zoology. So let's get started with the very first question. Question number 141. Podocytes form filtration slits through which the blood is filtered are modified, and the options are smooth muscle fibers, epithelial cells of glomerulus, elastic fibers, and epithelial cells of Bowman's capsule. And the correct answer to this question is option number 4, epithelial cells of Bowman's capsule. Because podocytes are modified epithelial cells present in visceral layer of Bowman's capsule and form filtration slits or slit pores. So these podocytes are modified epithelial cells in visceral layer of Bowman's capsule. Let's discuss rest of the options. The very first option given is smooth muscle fibers, and this cannot be a correct answer because podocytes are modified epithelial cells and not muscle fibers. The next option is epithelial cells of glomerulus, and this cannot be a correct answer because these are modified epithelial cells of Bowman's capsule. The next option is elastic fibers, and this cannot be a correct answer because these are modified epithelial cells. So the correct answer to this question is option number 4. Let's discuss our next question. Question number 142. As compared to asexual reproduction, sexual reproduction. And the very first statement is it is a fast process. And this cannot be a correct answer to our question because sexual reproduction is a slower process in comparison to asexual reproduction. The next statement is increases variations in a population, and as it is a correct statement with respect to sexual reproduction, so this is a correct answer to our question. In sexual reproduction, recombination of genes during gametogenesis introduces and increases variations in a population. So in comparison to asexual reproduction, sexual reproduction increases variations in a population. Next option given is has no role in evolution, and this is an incorrect statement because sexual reproduction play role in evolution by bringing variations in a population. And the last option given is mostly uniparental, and this cannot be a correct answer because sexual reproduction is mostly biparental. On the contrary, asexual reproduction is mostly uniparental. So the correct answer to this question is option number 2. Let's discuss our next question. Question number 143. Read the following statements and select the correct option. The very first statement given is RNAi involves post-translational silencing of a specific mRNA. And this is an incorrect statement because RNAi or RNA interference involves post-transcriptional gene silencing of a specific mRNA and not post-translational silencing. The next statement given is silencing of mRNA occurs by formation of double-stranded RNA molecule, yes, thus preventing transcription of parasitic mRNA. And this is an incorrect statement because in RNA interference, mRNA is silenced by the formation of double-stranded RNA molecule, thus preventing translation and not transcription of parasitic mRNA. Now let's discuss the options. The very first option is both statements are correct, and this cannot be a correct answer as both statements are incorrect. The next option given is statement 1 is correct but 2 is incorrect, and this cannot be a correct answer to our question. Next option is statement 2 is correct but 1 is incorrect. This cannot be a correct answer. And the last option given is both statements are incorrect, and as it is a correct option, so this is a correct answer to our question. So the correct answer is option number 4. Let's discuss our next question. Question number 144. Select the odd one among the mode of action of contraceptive pills. So contraceptive pills. Oral contraceptive pills alter quality of cervical mucus and retard the motility of sperms in uterus. In uterus. They also inhibit ovulation and inhibit implantation. These are the mode of action of contraceptive pills. Now let's discuss the options. The very first option given is they inhibit ovulation in a female, and as it is a correct statement with respect to contraceptive pills, so this cannot be a correct answer to our question. Next option is alter the quality of cervical mucus to retard the motility of sperms in female reproductive tract, and as it is also a correct statement, this cannot be a correct answer to our question. Next option is they make uterus unsuitable for implantation, and as it is also correct statement, this cannot be a correct answer to our question because contraceptive pills, they inhibit ovulation and implantation. And the last option given is they permanently block the transport and physical meetings of gametes, and as it is an incorrect statement with respect to the mode of action of contraceptive pills, so this is a correct answer to our question. It is surgical methods and not oral contraceptive pills which can permanently block the transport and physical meeting of gametes. So the correct answer to this question is option number 4. Let's discuss our next question. Question number 145. Single letter code for the aromatic amino acid which acts as precursor for melanin is, and the options are E, Y, F and W. And the correct answer to this question is option number 2, Y. Single letter code Y codes for the aromatic amino acid tyrosine. This tyrosine is an aromatic amino acid and is a correct answer to our question. The very first option given is E, and this cannot be a correct answer to our question because the single letter code E codes for glutamic acid. And as glutamic acid is not an aromatic amino acid and doesn't act as precursor for melanin, so this cannot be a correct answer to our question. Next option is F, and this cannot be a correct answer to our question because F codes for aromatic amino acid phenylalanine. Although it is an aromatic amino acid, but it doesn't act as a precursor for melanin. The last option given is W, and this cannot be a correct answer to our question because W codes for amino acid tryptophan. This is W, this is F, and this is Y. So this tryptophan, although is an aromatic amino acid, but it doesn't act as precursor for melanin. So the correct answer to this question is option number 2. Let's discuss our next question.